Okay, which questions did you practice from these for substitution?
I did the question 10. Can you do the 13th one?
Correct answers?
Yes, sir, correct.
Any problem, any issue,
No, sir.
difficulty? Okay. After that, we have these simple numbers.
Yes, sir.
Let us try a few random and then we'll move on to elimination. 7 minus 6 is 1.
1
8 minus 11 is
minus 3.
minus 3. 10th,
This will be minus 3 plus 4, so minus 1. No, minus 1
plus 1.
plus 1.
14th,
Minus 7 plus 10 minus 3 plus 3.
21,
3x plus it will be 1x
correct. Number 28,
minus 3x plus 7 5x.
this is 7 and 3, 4x.
Yes, sir. 4x.
Number 30,
Minus 7y plus 10y. It will be 3y.
so 3y. Okay. So now elimination will be we'll be using these techniques always. And let's see what we have in the first question. So 2x plus 5y equals 24. This is equation 1. 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. This is equation 2. Now in elimination, we either get rid of x or y. We can do both, but currently as we can see that it is easy to get rid of x, because for that I have to multiply this with negative 2 and no change in equation 2. So if I multiply, I get minus 4x minus 10y minus 48, and equation 2 stays the same, and we just add them.
Yes.
So when you add them, you have opposite signs and same numbers, and we get minus 7y is equals to 8 and minus 28. Minus goes with minus, y is equals to 28 by 7 and y is equals to 4. Once you get the value, then you can use any equation. I'm using the first one. 2x plus 5y is equals to 24. Now y is 4. So 2x plus 5 into 4 is equals to 24. 2x equals 24 minus 20. 2x is equals to 4. And x is equals to 4 by 2. X is equals to 2. This question is complete, and we can always check x is 2, y is 4. I'm checking in the both equations. 2 into 2 plus 5 into 4 is equal to 24. 2 times is 4. 5 4 times is 20. So 24 is equal to 24. This should be the same in both equations. Whenever we make this check, we have to do in both the equations. Plus
Yes, sir.
30 into 4 is equal to 20. So 4 2 times 8. 3 4 times is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20 is equals to 20.
So why do you multiply with minus 2?
To make it negative 4. This was plus 4. To make
Yes,
that
sir.
minus 4, so when we add them, I can get rid of x.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If we multiply it with 2 only, let's say if we multiply with 2 only, I'll be getting 4x plus 10y is equals to 48. And then again 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. Compare these equations. If I multiply
Yes,
with
sir.
plus 2 only, then first I added it, then I would subtract in order to get rid of that. So all the signs will change and I get rid of this. This
Yes,
is
sir.
positive 7y, that is 28, and y is equals to 4 again. See, we'll get the same answers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now there was one more option. Obviously, this first choice was the easiest one. Okay, this first choice was easiest. If
Mm.
this is 2x plus 5y is equals to 24 and 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. Obviously, we can see that only multiplying the first one with 2 will make both these coefficients same. And with minus 2, same and opposite sign. But what if I just choose to make y same? Then I will have to multiply the first equation with 3 and
3 and
second equation
yes,
with
and
5,
5.
swapping coefficients.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, this is longer choice than the previous one. So 3 2 times is 6x plus
Mm.
15y is equals to
15
20 to 3 is 72. 5 4 times
minus
is
5.
20x plus 50. Okay, minus 5. So
Minus
this
5.
is going to be negative. If we choose
Yes, sir.
minus, so this is negative and negative 100. Now we get rid of y. This is minus 14x is equals to 28, and minus 28 and negative goes with negative 28 by 14, and x is equals to 2. See, we were getting 2 earlier and we are again getting 2.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
can choose any equation. I'm selecting the second one this time. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. 4 into 2 plus 3y is equals to 20. 3y is equals to 20 minus 8. 3y is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 by 3. Y is equals to 4. So we get the same answers, 2 comma 4. Whatever method we choose, 2 comma 4, we get the same answer. And this equation could be done with substitution as well. Book is just pushing us to learn both the methods. In exam, you won't have that restriction.
Yes, sir.
Try question number 4. X plus 2y is equals to 17. 8x plus 3y is equals to 45. Aris, you know how to solve elimination?
Said, can you explain it one time? So I got.
Okay, I'll go through it quickly.
Mm.
Okay, Aris, we started from here. This was the first equation,
Yes.
2x plus 5y equals 24. And second was 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. Now I had to get rid of either y or x. Just by observation, I can see that if I just multiply the first equation with 2, I can get same coefficients of x. So we chose that. And if we multiply with minus 2, they will be same in number but opposite in sign. So multiplying with minus 2, we got minus 4x minus 10y and equals minus 48. You can see this cursor moving?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what we get, and the second equation stays same. So when you just add them, you get rid of x, and we can find y. Once we're done with y, you
So
can
why
choose
we do with the
any
minus?
to eliminate x. When you will
Oh,
add
okay.
them, one is positive 4, the other is negative 4. So that will be
Okay.
0. If both are same, that will become 8x. Okay, let me do this new equation with you again. See these two equations, 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. Select any. What do you want to get rid of, x or
First
y?
one. So we'll multiply with 8.
X.
Yeah.
Yes, we
First one
multiply
multiply
with
with
8. Now see,
minus
Minus
8.
8.
if
Minus 8.
we multiply with 8, these are both
Minus
same.
8. Yes,
We
we'll
can
do it minus.
subtract them later, but if we choose minus 8 here, it will reduce our working steps. So first equation becomes minus 8x minus 16y and
Yes,
17.
sir.
Get my calculator.
So now,
Okay. So 17 into 8 is 136 minus
Yes.
136. The second equation is 8x plus 3y is equals to 45. So you add them and get rid of this. This is minus 13y and 136 and 45. The difference is 91. Negative, negative cancel. Y is equals to 91 by 13. Y
Yes.
is
Oh,
equals to 7. On the other hand, if we will not multiply it with minus 8, we'll be getting 8x plus 16y and 136. And the second equation stays same. Now, in this case, we can see that x is still same. So we subtract. So sign all the signs change. We get rid of this. This is positive 13y. This is 91. We still get the same answer. Clear?
yes, sir.
yes,
And second thing, what we discussed was I'm copying these equations again. Sorry, y is x is left. I copied the first equation using the value of y. So x is 3 and y is 7. Now what we can do is x plus 2y equals 17. I'm copying the same equation again. X plus 2y is equal to 17. And 8 plus 3y equals 45. Now if I want to get rid of y, I will do this. I will swap their coefficients. Only then we can have same y. And again, either you choose this way or you put negative sign with one of these, both will give you same answer. Getting it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's try something with different coefficients where you would have to multiply both equations. Question number 2. 5x plus 2y is equals to 13. Second equation is 2x plus 6y is equals to 26. Uh, Still we can handle with one. Okay, try this.
So after removing x, do we have to add?
If your signs are different, you can add. If your signs are same, you will subtract.
Okay.
Keep in mind, you have to get rid of one of the variable.
Yes, sir. So I got y is equal to 4 and x equal to 1.
Sir, I've got y is equal to 6.5 and I'm fine with
Y is equals to 6.5 and
Let me check. Sorry.
yeah, we'll be doing that.
it.
I think your answers are correct.
Yes.
RSC 5 into 1 plus 2 into 4 equals 13. That is 5 plus 8. 13 equals 13. First equation. Now check with second. 2x plus 6y equals 26. 2 into 1 plus 6 into 4 is equals to 26. This is 2. 6 4 times 24. So 26 equals 26. This is correct.
Okay.
Now the important thing is to figure out where you made the mistake. Let's quickly do it and match the answers. Equation 1, equation 2. Now I'm getting rid of y. So multiplying the first one with 3 to make it 6 and negative 3 to have an opposite sign. So 3 5 times is minus 15, 3 2 times is minus 6, and 13 3 times is 39. Second equation stays same. So when I just add them, this is minus 6 plus 6 cancels out. So minus 13 x is equals to 3 and minus 1. So x is equals to 13 by 13. X is equals to 1. And we can copy any equation. I'm copying the second one. 2x plus 6y is equals to 26. 2 into 1 plus 6y is equals to 26. 6y equals 26 minus 2. 6y equals 24. Y equals 24 by 6. Y is equals to 4. So x comma y is 1 comma 4. Iris, could you figure out where the issue was? Where you're getting different answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Number 9. Now I think we'll have to make two adjustments. 2x plus 7y is equals to 17. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. Now tell me, which variable are we trying to get rid? Y or x?
X.
X. If someone chooses y, he will be correct, but that is 7 and 3. The numbers are bigger as compared to x. Ali, what do I multiply the first equation with?
Uh, minus 5.
Minus 5. Haris, what do I multiply the second equation? See, Haris, when we are trying to get rid of x. Sorry, say that again. Haris, you there?
Sir, I said nothing. My mic was mute.
Okay. See, if we are trying to get rid of x, we need to have the coefficients same. So we will swap the coefficients. This was 5 in the second equation. So we took 5 in the numerator with the first one, and there's 2 with the first one. So I'll bring 2 down in order to get both same. So now writing new equations, this was 1, this was 2. Writing new equations, this is now minus 10x minus 35y and 17 into 5 is minus 85. For the second equation, 2 5 times 10x, 2 3 times is 6y, and 2 into 1 is minus 2. Now we can see 10x and 10x, positive, negative, already different signs, so we just add them and get rid of this. 35 and 6, the difference is minus 29. 85 and 2 is 87. Negative sign cancels out, and y is equals to 87 over 29. So 87 divided by 29 is 3. Now we can choose any equation. I'm selecting the second one. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. We put the value of y. 5x plus 3 into 3 equals minus 1. 5x plus 9 equals minus 1. 5x is equal to minus 1 minus 9. 5x equals minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 by 5, and x is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 comma 3 is the final answer. Now in exam, this is complete, but we can make a check quickly. So 2 into x plus 7 into y equals 17, and the values were minus 2 and 3. minus 2 and 3. So this is minus 4 and 4 times is 21. 21 minus 4, 17 equals 17. First equation done. Second equation, 5x plus 3y equals minus 1. And 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 equals minus 1. Minus 10 plus 9 equals minus 1. Minus 1 equals minus 1. This is for yourself. Sometimes the examiner also tells you that, for example, he would say these are the two equations and John is getting these results. Check if it is correct or wrong. You don't have to solve the complete question. You'll just substitute in both the equation and see if left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, let's see. Try number 10.
Okay.
5x plus 3y is equals to 23. 2x plus 4y is equals to 12. Equation 1, equation 2.
Sir, I got the answer. Sir, I got y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4.
So they got 3 and 1 I got.
Alice, X's. Alice, your answers, X and Y.
Step 3 and 1 4.
X, 3 and Y, 1. Okay, let's see. If these answers would have been same, मुझे करना नहीं पड़ना था. Mhm. Okay,
Uh,
I am trying to get rid of X. So this is 2 and this is 5. This time I'm not using negative sign just to show you. So 2 5 times is 10x, 2 3 times is 6y, 23 into 2 is 46. Secondly, 10x, 5 4 times is 20y, and 5 into 12 is 60. Now I can see that x are same and the sign is also same, so I'm subtracting it. So signs change. We get rid of x, and this is 6 minus 2 is 4y, and 46 and 60. The difference is 14.
um, okay, now I understand.
I'm getting 3. Sorry, 5 4 times. This was 20.
Yes, sir.
So 6 and 20, the difference is 14. Y is equals to minus 14. So y is equals to minus 14 by minus 14. So y equals 1. So both of you are getting same y. And now x, selecting the second equation, 2x plus 4y equals 12. 2x plus 4 into 1 equals 12. 2x plus 8. 2x equals 12 minus 8. 2x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. Okay. All three of us are given getting different x. 2x plus 4y, 12. 1.
So you did the 4 times 1 is 4.
Oh, okay. Yes. Thank you. So 8 by 2 is 4. So you're getting this answer. Aris, can you figure out why you're getting 3?
Yes, sir. Okay, now understand. Okay.
Okay, now let's select some questions and do them with both methods simultaneously with substitution and elimination. Out of these 10 to 30, choose any question. We will do it with both, three of us.
Uh, oh, 80.
18. Haris, do you agree on this choice?
Yes, sir. Okay, 18 is good.
Okay, let's do 18 with both methods. Okay, you start with elimination. I will start with substitution, and then we'll match our answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you copied the equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I got y2.
y2, and x. I'm
One
getting
second,
y2 as well.
sorry. Um, yeah, I got x1.
Yes, it
I'm getting same answer with different method. Haris, your answers?
Yes.
Elimination and substitution done. Same answers with both the.
Where can you just show how you did the substitution one?
I chose equation 2 to make y the subject.
Yes.
We have different, have the same answer.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm getting it.
Same answers? Guess what about you? Haris, beta, you're getting same answers?
Yes, sir. I'm getting this. Sir, and also your voice is very, I mean, like low.
Um,
Okay.
sir, your voice is working. It's Harris's problem, I think.
Can you hear me now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
I think it's something with the charger. When I plug in, voice gets distorted. Okay. So the best practice is that we try same equation with two different methods
Yes.
because we'll know that we need to have the same answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have word problems. Okay. So for today, if you feel like if it is like boring, solving the same equation with two methods, just go through some practice from 2.5c and this 2.5a.
Yes,
Elimination
sir.
and substitution. Try to do at least three questions each,
Yes, sir.
and do try some mm, uh, questions like some with fractions, some with decimals. So you should have different experience if you get those in exam as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything you would like to ask?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See you tomorrow then, inshallah.
Okay, sir. Love is.
Take care.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.